If you want to download a folder from GitHub the simplest way, then this is how you're going to do it. Without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to skip all of that, head over to GitHub and then login process because I already know you know how to do that. So we are going to move on to exactly downloading a folder from the repository. So I already have my repository open right here. Now you're going to head over to the branch where you want to download it from. Now I'm going to want to download all of these files from this folder. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click on code right here, and then from the local tab you'll be able to see this download a zip, and this will allow us to download every single file from this folder as well as this folder by itself. I'm going to click on download zip right here, and then you will be able to see this test main folder downloaded as zip. Now we're going to hit that open so that we can confirm whether all or whether the entire folder was downloaded. I'm just going to click on this, and as you can see, all of our files is here. Now if you want to extract this, you can just click on extract to, and then you can just choose whichever folder you want to extract this to. You're going to hit on OK, and then from there we're going to click on yes, and then we're going to check whether it has been extracted. So I'm just going to hit on download here, and as you can see, all of our files has been downloaded. And I also have this folder right here as a zip, and that's it. That is how you can download an entire folder in GitHub. Now, if you want to download files one by one, you can just watch some other of our tutorials that can teach you that. And that's it. That is how you can download an entire folder from GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.